Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make an anime live wallpaper on your phone, whether it's Android or iPhone. Very, very easy to do. Now, I will tell you that you guys do need to download TikTok really quickly first if you don't have it already. Once you have that done, you guys can just go to the description or in the comment section below, and then you'll have a link over to this right here. It will just be the My Live Wallpapers website, and then I just linked you guys over to the anime section. So you guys can just scroll through here over all these live wallpapers, and you can check out which one you want. There is lots of anime on here, so 70 different pages. I'm not going to go through all of those. I'm just going to click on a random video and show you guys what to do once you find the video that you want. So I'm just going to click on this video right here, and we'll just give it a second to load up. And then if you want to watch a preview, obviously you can just click on here to watch the preview of the live wallpaper. But I'm just going to scroll down to the bottom here where it says live wallpaper for mobile. Then you want to go ahead and click on download. And then download one more time. And then in the top right corner, you'll see that the download is there. Now what we want to do is we want to click on the little search icon right beside the one that we want. And then it will bring us right over to our iCloud where this is saved. So we can go ahead and into our iCloud, click on the video that we want, and then go to the bottom left corner, click on the share button, and then click on save video. This will save the video to our camera roll. Now once we have that done, we'll be able to go ahead onto TikTok. So just make sure you have that downloaded, and then you can go over to TikTok. Once you're on TikTok, you just want to click on the bottom where it says tap to create a new video. Click on the button, then click on camera roll. And then we want to find the video we just downloaded and click on that. And then next. Here's where we can trim the video if you want to trim a certain portion. Now this video is the exact same throughout the duration of it, so I'm just going to leave it, but yours might be a bit different. So you could trim it obviously by just trimming the left or right sides. And then you can click on next, and then next one more time. Now you might want to make this video private so your friends and stuff don't see it. So I'm just make this video private, and then just go ahead and post it. Once that's done, we want to go over back to our profile page here and then go to our locked folder. And then we will see our video here in one moment once it's uploaded. I'll just refresh this really quickly. There we go. Now once it's been refreshed, you can click on that video, and then we want to click on the three dots right above the disk. And then we want to scroll over and click on live photo. This will convert this to a live photo, and then it will put it directly into our settings application where our wallpapers are. Once that's done there, we can exit out of here and we can go over to our settings. So I'm just going to type in settings. And then this is the last wallpaper I had. We can just go over to our settings here. And we can just go over to our settings. Click on settings, and then we can just search at the top here for wallpaper. Click on wallpaper, and then choose new wallpaper. And then we can just go to our live photos. So scroll down and click on live photos, and then click on the live photo we just saved. And then here, as you guys notice, if you long press on your screen, it will then make the animation live. Now you want to make sure at the bottom here that this live photo is on. So just make sure that there's no line through it. And then you can just go ahead and click on set and set it as your lock screen or home screen, whatever you would like. Very, very easy to set up. I really hope I was helpful with this video. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe to more. Thanks for watching.